Hello dear students, welcome to my JEE mains January 26 chemistry. Important question which is asked from organic chemistry. You can see January 21 morning session. They asked this question, that is a hydrocarbon P C4H8 on reaction with HCl gives optically active compound. The optically active compound, they have given the Q as C4H9Cl, which on reaction with 1 mole of ammonia gives compound which is R on diazotization by hydrolysis gives S. So they are asking us to identify PQRS. Is the options given? You can just check it. These are the options given to us. Okay. See, in this question, one of the hint they have given to us is one compound which is optically active compound. The optically active compound symbol given to us is Q and its formula also given C4H9Cl. This is a hint only. That means first addition reaction of hydrocarbon alkane C4H8 gives a compound Q. That Q should be optically active. First you identify these options. First option, if you see Q, we have C4H9, but this chlorine attached carbon with two same hydrogens are there. So this is not the right one. So let us see the second option. Second option also we have the same thing is there. The chlorine attached carbon is with two hydrogens is there. That is also not optically active. Let us see the third option. In third option we have, yes, this C4H9Cl addition reaction product, whatever we got here in third option, this is optically active. So definitely the third option is the right option for this question. So diazotization happened, amine formed, primary amine, here amine formed, the double bond, the single bond is given. And here followed by that isonium salts upon hydrolysis gives the alcohols. Okay, so the right answer for this question is third option. So if you just carefully observe the question, no need to just do all the steps, you just have to take up the hint shortcut for this question is that one only. So what the question given is hydrocarbon on reaction with HCl gives optically active compound, and that compound is Q, which on reaction with 1 mole of ammonia gives compound R, that is nitro compound amine, and R on diazotization followed by hydrolysis gives S. So identify PQRS. So in this way we can identify the right answer for this question. Okay, hope you understand how to identify the right answer. Thank you. See dear students, one more interesting question from JEE mains 21st January morning session. We have, this is hydrocarbon 80 ml hydrocarbon on mixing with 260 ml of oxygen in a closed U tube undergoes complete combustion. The residual gas after cooling in to 273 Kelvin occupy 224 ml. When system is treated with KOH solution, the volume decreases to 64 ml. And the formula of hydrocarbon is These are the options: C2H4, C4H10, C2H2, C2H6. Let us see how we have solved it. It means the combustion of hydrocarbon general formula we have to take like this. This is CXHY plus X plus Y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 and Y by 2 H2O. And once you observe in this question, the 64 ml, which is volume decreased to 64 ml, means the KOH treated with this compounds obtained completely absorbing CO2 and given 64 ml of reacted with 64 ml of oxygen. That's the main important thing here. And remaining whatever is there, the 160 ml is there out of 224, that is CO2 volume. So that means oxygen consumed is 200 out of 264. See, in the question they have given 264 ml of oxygen. Out of that 64 ml which is completely reacted. So 164 ml is reacted means remaining out of 264 is the 200 ml. That is the oxygen which is completely reacted. And 64 ml is which is unreacted. Because once we treat the gases with KOH, the remaining volume decreases to 64. They told the 64 is oxygen which is unreacted, we have to take. Now, actually this question we can solve using Avogadro's principle of volume directly proportional to number of moles molar ratio. In this, 80 ml of HCl is there, that 80 ml of hydrocarbon which is given 160 ml of CO2. If you take it is 1 ml, then how many ml of CO2 it is giving? Yes, 2 ml of CO2. So 80 ml of hydrocarbon is giving 160 ml, means 1 mole of hydrocarbon gives 2 moles of CO2. Meaning is yes, moles and volume related Avogadro's idea. So then we got X is 2. Let us see another another calculation to get Y. 80 ml of hydrocarbon as per this equation is giving is reacting with the 200 ml of oxygen. And as we know, 64 ml is unreacted, 200 ml is reacted. So if that is the case, then 1 ml of hydrocarbon is reacting with how many ml of CO2 oxygen is X plus Y by 4 as per the equation. So that X plus Y by 4 we have calculated and we substituted the X value in this. After that we simplified, we got Y value 2. It means the formula of the hydrocarbon which they are expecting, which they are asking in this question is yes, C2H2. Most interesting question, but it's linked with the mole concept, organic based question, hydrocarbon combustion reaction, but it is linked with this mole concept. So most interesting question. In this question we found the right answer is C2H2, third option. Okay. Hope you understand these two questions. Thank you very much for all of you.